Hi everyone, it's Sophie Hannah here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all super well today. I am going to be doing another video in my little series that I introduced a few weeks ago. And this time I'm going to be recreating Nikkietutorials rainbow brows. Oh, cannot wait, it's gonna look so good. I started doing this series because I love getting inspired by people and I just wanted to kind of get a bit more creative here on my YouTube, and so yeah, I started this new series where I sort of recreate kind of bold looks from YouTube stars, Instagrammers, celebrities, music artists, whoever's looks I love basically. I've got a few more up my sleeve that I've already found. Katy Perry might be one of them. Can't wait to do that one actually. And Dua Lipa as well. They always have some fabulous on stage looks. So yeah, so I've been researching a lot and I've picked a few of my favourites. So do watch out for more in this series. And I really hope you enjoy it. So Nikkietutorials, I love watching her. She's super bubbly. Her makeup skills are absolutely insane. So I don't think my rainbow brows are going to be up there with hers, but I'm going to give it a go. Let's get into it. So I've actually got the same products that Nikkietutorials used on her brows. So they are the Kat Von D long wear pomades. So I've got the yellow, got the red, I've got the blue, the green and the purple. So I've got all the colours. So it's great that I've got the exact product, so hopefully it will look fairly similar. I love these pomades though, they're super pigmented. I actually use them for a Mr. Blobby inspired look. If you don't know who Mr. Blobby is, it is basically a character from the 90s. It's like a children's TV show that I used to watch. It's like this massive kind of blobby thing. Google it, you'll know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I use these and they're so pigmented. You can, well, I used them on my face and they came off, they didn't stain or anything like that. So yeah, I'm excited to use these to create my rainbow brows. So to start with, I'm taking the Scarlet pomade, which is a nice red colour, and I'm going to be applying this to the middle of one of my eyebrows. Like so. I'm so impressed with how pigmented it is on my brow because my brows are super dark, but it does really show up well. So the next colour I'm taking is a Roxy Purple, and I'm going to be applying this on the end of my brow here and blending it into the red. Don't worry if you mess up because we are going to apply some concealer underneath my brow afterwards just to make sure my brows are super sharp. And also to help blending, I'm just going to grab my Precisely My Brow pencil from Benefit and use the brow brush end and just blend. Next up, I'm taking the Daffodil shade, which is a really nice yellow, and I'm going to be applying this to the beginning of my brow here and blending it into the red so it kind of merges and creates an orange. Like so. It's looking super good already. So I'm copying the exact colours that Nikkietutorials does for her rainbow brows. Right, on to the next brow now. So the next pomade I'm taking is the Satellite Blue shade, which is this really amazing bright blue. And I'm going to be applying this to the middle of this brow. Now you're probably wondering how I'm using the same brush throughout this whole look. Well, I'm cleaning it in between each different colour with the Style Pro kit. So you've got this machine bit at the top which basically spins this here, which the brush is attached to, and I've got some makeup remover in the bowl which is actually from Style Pro. It's proper brush cleaner, and then yeah, you just whiz away. So I dip it in first, I whiz away, dip it in a little bit more, and then when I pull it out, it is clean and back to normal. So super handy and really quick if you're doing tutorials and you want to use the same brush throughout. I'll pop a link below to the Style Pro kit if you are interested. Next up though, I'm going back in with the Roxy purple shade on the end of my brow. So I'm going to go back in with the daffodil shade now at the start of this brow and blend it into the blue to kind of ombre into a green. Taking the Infallible More Than Concealer from L'Oreal, and I'm just going to be carving out my brow, just cleaning up all the edges. And that is it. I'm going to finish off this look with a simple eye and a nude lip, and I will be back. And there we have it. I'm all Nikkietutorialed up with my rainbow brows. What do we think, guys? I love, love, love these brows. I feel like they'd be so cool for like Pride or a music festival or like a rainbow, I don't know, a rainbow hen party or, yeah, any colourful occasion. They are so freaking cool. I love them. Also, the Kat Von D pomades were so easy to use and they blended so well. And yeah, they feel dry. They don't feel like they're going to smudge or anything. And yeah, I will definitely be taking all of those shades to festivals with me this summer, because even if I'm not applying it to my brow, even some cute like flower face paint or body paint or something, it's going to dry and it's going to last for a festival. So yeah, highly recommend getting those for your festival makeup kits. But yeah, love this. So what do you guys think? Do you think I did this Nikkietutorials tutorial justice? I feel like I did a good job. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll pop links below to all the products I used in this video, and I'll see you guys in another video here very soon and another one of my series. Peace out.